Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by opening your canvas and preparing a safe layer to edit. Tap Gallery, pick the image, then open Layers and confirm the layer you want to change. Duplicate it so you retain the original. Once done, make sure Lock Transparency is off so brightness affects pixels, not empty space. You do this because non-destructive work lets you compare and revert. It also preserves blend modes. Now pause only long enough to confirm the active layer and duplicated backup are visible. Next, go to Adjustments and choose Brightness/Contrast to control tonal balance. Move the brightness slider slowly while watching the live preview. Small changes can have big impact, so aim for natural highlights and shadow detail. Use contrast alongside brightness to maintain depth. Increasing contrast preserves punch, decreasing it softens. Once you like the look, tap Apply. Then, adjust the layer opacity or blend mode to blend the correction. This gives nuanced control without redoing the filter. Finish by refining with curves or levels. This provides targeted control over midtones, highlights, and shadows. Use a layer mask to paint the brightness effect onto specific areas. That way skin tones, skies, and backgrounds stay balanced. Make sure to toggle between blend modes and adjust opacity for subtlety. If something goes wrong, immediately undo or hide the adjusted layer and revert to the duplicated original. This is why you duplicated the layer at the start. Practicing these steps makes brightening safe and predictable.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.